Hi, ازيكم? Welcome to a new lesson with Sondos from Salis, your Arabic teacher. Today our lesson about the pronouns, okay? We have 3 sections here. First one, which is speaker pronouns, and second one, which is the addressed people pronouns, and last one, which is the absent pronouns, okay? So let's start. Actually, before to start, I would like to tell you some information that we don't have verb to be. Yes, that's good news, right? We don't have verb to be in Egyptian Arabic. So if I would like to say I is like I am. I am is like I. We have one word for both of them. Okay? Second thing that I would like you to know it, and this people they studied Arabic standard, they are going to be happy now. Because in Arabic standard we have 12 pronouns. But in Egyptian, no, we have only 8 pronouns. Okay, so let's start with the first section. So we have I or I am is أنا. أنا. I or I am is أنا. أنا. Okay? So, okay, for female, for male, doesn't matter, we say أنا. Okay? We or we are, we say إحنا. إحنا. And there is ح here, okay? ح. إحنا. إحنا. Okay. Second section is the addressed people, which is you for singular. Oh, singular, but singular masculine, I mean. So here is إنت. إنت. So if I'm talking to man, I have to say إنت. إنت. Okay? You for female is إنتي. 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 You for plural is into. 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 Okay? So let's move to the last section, which is absent pronouns. Okay? He is هو. 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 She is هي. 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 They is هم. 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 Okay? So if I would like to say my name is Sondos, here I'm going to say أنا اسمي Sondos. If I would like to say I am teacher, I'm going to say أنا مدرسة. أنا مدرسة. Okay? What about if I would like to say هي مدرسة, she is the teacher, so هي مدرسة. هو مدرس, he is a teacher. هو مدرس. Okay? And so on. So this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. مع السلامة.